Hey everyone, here in this video I'm going to show you how you can replace your Hyundai Elantra's headlight bulb. So first thing, you have to open your bonnet up and then you need to find out the bulb. So I'm replacing the left hand bulb, so it's the bulb on the very left hand side. Then you need to find the gap where you can open the cover. So there's a cover and you can open the cover by finding this small gap and you can insert your key right there. Once you insert the key and pop it out, it opens the cover. Now you can see I opened the cover. So after you open the cover, you have to insert your hand down there. Generally, it's a very narrow space, so if you have a big hand, then there can be a problem. You might need to take the whole unit out, but in my case, I was able to insert my hand inside. So after inserting the hand inside, I just have to find the bulb there. Once I find the bulb, I just have to twist it anti-clockwise. So after twisting anti-clockwise gently, I was able to take this bulb out. Now you can see this is the faulty one. And there is a small clip where you can unclip it from the connector. So you just have to lift it a little bit, the small hinge, and then take the bulb out. So now you need a new bulb. So this is our new bulb, and I will just pop it back in so you can see in the video. Once it's clipped, you just have to insert it again, so slowly and gently, because you don't want your bulb to bust before even you use it. And then now you have to twist it slightly clockwise and you will hear that popping sound. Right, now your bulb is fitted. You just have to put the cover back on. So you just insert it and slightly rotate it. That's it. Now you're ready. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe.